The beautiful Kenzo Vintage Barber Chair is as comfortable as it is aesthetically pleasing. This video will cover how to assemble the Kenzo quickly. The instructions apply to both our silver and gold Kenzo Vintage Barber Chairs. This is what the chair will look like right out of the box. As you can see, it's already mostly assembled. There are just 6 bolts and a few steps required to put it together. Remove the protective plastic wrapping from the parts. Please hold on to all your original packaging until the chair is fully assembled. You can see how the holes on the side of the backrest line up with these holes. With the included Allen wrench, remove the 2 bolts on both sides of the backrest. Next, connect the backrest by lining the holes up. The shorter bolt goes in the top hole and the larger bolt goes in the bottom one. You can tighten the first 2 bolts by hand. This will allow the backrest to stay loose while you line up the other bolts on the other side. You can wiggle the backrest to help line the holes up. Once all 4 bolts are in by hand, you can make them snug with the Allen wrench. Next, grab the footrest. There are just 2 bolts that need to be removed. Make sure to keep the bolts and washers together. From the head of the bolt, it goes small washer, then larger washer. The 2 bolts will be going into these holes here. Now you can slide the footrest into its slots. Go ahead and put both bolts into their holes and make them snug with the included Allen wrench. That's all there is to it. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to assemble the Kenzo Vintage Barber Chair. Now the chair is ready for the years of styling sessions to come. If you would like to learn more about the chair, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.